In this module, we're going to go a little deeper into stop losses and talk about 4 different types. Whether the market goes up or down, you have no control over it. Anything at any time could cause the market to go in any direction. And this just means that it is inevitable to trade without the market moving against you at some point. The good news is you are in control of when to get out of a trade when the market moves against you. You have the option to either get out of the trade and cut your loss quickly, or stay in the trade and ride it out, hoping for the market to turn back in your favor. But if you decide to ride it out, it could just go against you and eventually blow your account. This is why knowing exactly where to put your stop loss is crucial to being a successful trader. What is great about having a stop loss and knowing you have it in a good position is it helps you to cut your losses sooner so you can focus on other, better opportunities, and it also eliminates the stress that comes from trading without an exit plan for losses. You don't want to trade stressed out, do you? Of course not. So let's move on to the different types of stop losses. We're going to cover the percentage-based stop, chart stop, volatility stop, and time stop. Let's start with the percentage-based stop loss in the next section.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.